Part 5, Chapter 6, Lot. Walamajat Rusuna Lutan Siabem Wadakabem Dharan Makala Havayaman Asib Wajahu Kaumu Yurauna lewa min kamlu kanu yamaluna sayate kala ya kame haulae banate hunat harula kumbata kumawalatuk Zunevi Devi Alaysa Minkum Rajulun Rashid Qalula Qanalim Kamalana Vibanateka Min Hakanwana Kalata Alamu Madu Nurid Qala launa li bekum qawadan nawawi ala rukan sharid qalu ya lutu inna rasulu rabbana lan yaselu ilayka fasribe aleka biqatin Loth. Okay, Loth is what we're calling it. Surah 11, verses 77 to 83. When our angels came to Loth, I think they just mean Lot. Literally, they came to our messengers. So when our messengers came to Lot, he was uneasy and powerless to help them against the sinful desires of his people. And he exclaimed, "What a troublesome day!" His people, who had just indulged in their wonted vice, came rushing at him. Lot spoke to them in the following words: "O my people, here are my daughters. They are pure for you. Fear God and do not disgrace me through our guests. Is there not among you one normal man?" Heterosexual. But no, upright is literally what it says. Okay. They answered, "Thou knowest well that thy daughters are not intended for us." Literally, we have no claim on thy daughters. "And thou knowest what we want. Ah, had I but power to withstand you, or could I but find some strong support." The angels then said, "O Lot, we are the messengers of thy Lord. They shall not reach thee. Avail thyself of part of the Minalile wala yaltafit minkum mahadunilla amrataka innahum musibuha masabahum minna mawedahum sumhu alaysa sumhu biqarib Falamma jamruna jalna liya savila wamtarna liya hijaradan min zirin mandud busawamadan darabika wamariya minna zalimina bibaid. Night to flee with thy family, and let none of you look around. Thy wife will look round, and the same fate will befall her as what shall befall them in the morning, and the morning's not far off. When her bidding came, We overturned the city from top to bottom, and we rained down upon it molten stones, sorted and marked from thy Lord, in the name of those for whom they were destined, and which smote and will smite again deliberately, literally, and which are not far from the unjust. And so when the plague is actually a punishment, it's not going haphazardly.